crowds, the people watching. Why fight and rage against each other? The shepherds are scattered. Why, when I stand and I watch my house become a den of thieves again? Do not tell the people lies. Do not misrepresent me. Rumors of war, yes, but I have yet to give you that which I have kept for last, the glory of God that shall cover the earth with knowledge and manifestation as the waters cover the sea. It is yet to come before I return. You are the generation that shall defy death. And there were those that were lost in the battle. Gregory, a soldier, to be multiplied throughout the earth, and many others. The Spirit of God says, come to me with tender hearts, and let my prayer come to pass. In John 17, I pray that they are one, as you, Father, and I are one. Let the spirit of unity come upon us today, and let the fragrance of that unity come before the Lord as a sweet, sweet fragrance. And so we thank you, Lord, for your Spirit.